Imagine if I told you that just 10 minutes of stretching could reset your brain, lower your stress hormones, improve your posture, and even help your heart. And the crazy part? Most people think stretching is something you only do before workouts. But modern research shows stretching alone can change how your body and brain function every single day. So what actually happens inside your body when you stretch for just 10 to 15 minutes daily? Let's break it down scientifically. Number 1. Muscles wake up. When you stretch, tiny sensors inside your muscles called muscle spindles activate. These receptors monitor muscle length and tension. When you slowly stretch, they signal your nervous system that it's safe to relax. Over time, this reduces stiffness and tightness in areas like the neck, hips, hamstrings, and lower back. Research in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows regular stretching can increase flexibility by up to 20% within weeks. Number 2. Your brain starts relaxing. Stretching also affects your nervous system. Slow stretching with deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for relaxation and recovery. According to Dr. Herbert Benson of Harvard Medical School, this triggers what he called the relaxation response. Heart rate slows, blood pressure drops, and your brain shifts from stress mode into recovery mode. Number 3. Stress hormones drop. Chronic stress keeps the hormone cortisol high. High cortisol is linked with anxiety, poor sleep, and brain fog. Studies in the International Journal of Stress Management show that daily stretching can reduce stress and anxiety levels within weeks. In simple words, stretching works like a reset button for your nervous system. Number 4. Blood circulation improves. When muscles lengthen, blood vessels open slightly, improving circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your tissues and faster removal of waste products. Researchers at the University of Milan even found that regular stretching may improve artery flexibility, which supports overall heart health. Number 5. Posture begins to improve. Modern lifestyles keep us sitting for hours, tightening muscles in the neck, chest, and hips. Stretching helps lengthen these tight muscles and restore better alignment. Over time, this can reduce common problems like neck pain, shoulder tension, and lower back discomfort. Number 6. Your brain releases feel-good chemicals. Stretching also stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin. These chemicals improve mood, reduce pain, and increase mental clarity. This is why many people feel calmer and more focused after a simple stretching session. Something most people don't know. Your body contains a connective tissue network called fascia that surrounds every muscle. When you stay in one position too long, this tissue becomes stiff. Stretching helps loosen and rehydrate fascia, allowing your body to move more smoothly and freely. Some scientists even call fascia the body's hidden communication network. The simple rule: you don't need an hour, just 10 to 15 minutes of slow stretching daily can improve flexibility, circulation, stress levels, and posture. Consistency matters far more than intensity, so the next time you spend a few minutes stretching, remember what's happening inside your body. Your muscles relax, your brain calms down, your stress hormones drop, all from something incredibly simple. If you want more science-based health insights that can transform your body and mind, subscribe to the channel and start upgrading your health today.